Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out the Pore Perfector skincare device which is designed to help deep clean pores, remove blackheads and improve circulation through gentle vacuum suction. As you can see, that kit comes with a handle Pro vacuum device, adjustable suction levels, as you can see, with different colors, low, medium, high, interchangeable suction heads for different areas of the face, USB charging cable and user manual. But first, let's see how to use it and how it works on my face. Start by cleansing your face with warm water or steaming lightly to open the pores. Choose a suction set, small for nose and large for cheeks and forehead. I suggest to select the lowest suction level first. Glide the device slowly across your skin and better not hold it in one place for too long as it hurts your face. After you're done, better to finish with a cold compress or toner to close the pores. After trying it, I would like to give my experience and my honest review on this device. Honestly, I found out the stronger setting hurt my face and left some redness, as you can see in the video. So from now on, I will only using the vacuum massage function on the lowest level, which feels safe and more comfortable. And if you're thinking of trying this device, remember always test on a small area first, keep the suction low and never overuse. I hope you enjoyed the video and share your experience with me. Good luck!